Hello everyone, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, April 17th, 2025, we're taking a close look at Amazon, AMZN, stock, combining recent news with a detailed analysis of the charts. We'll explore how current events are impacting Amazon's price action and what key levels to watch for potential trading opportunities. Recent news indicates a mixed outlook for Amazon. Analyst price target reboots suggest some optimism, while tariff concerns and potential economic slowdowns weigh on investor sentiment. The stock is currently trading around $174.33, down from its February highs. Now, let's switch over to the daily chart. Looking at the past year, we can see considerable volatility, particularly influenced by tariff-related news. Notice the dip around August 2024, followed by a rally and now another period of uncertainty. We'll look for key support and resistance levels to help us assess potential entry and exit points. Zooming in on the daily chart from January 2025 onward, we see Amazon had a strong rally, but then fell sharply in April, coinciding with tariff announcements. It tried to recover, but is again showing weakness in the last few trading days. Now, let's examine the 1-hour chart for a more granular view. This will help us identify short-term trends and potential reversal patterns. On the 1-hour timeframe, we can better observe the impact of intraday news and events on Amazon's price action. Looking at the 1-hour chart, we observe a recent downtrend, suggesting bearish momentum in the short term. However, there are signs of potential support around the $174 level. A break below this level could lead to further downside, while a bounce could signal a short-term recovery. Let's narrow down to the 15-minute chart for today, April 16th, 2025, and this morning to see the most recent trading activity. We can look closely at whether it tested the 174 level again today. Based on the charts, here's my assessment. Short-term, the trend appears bearish, but the price action around the $174 level is crucial. A break below $174 could trigger a sell-off towards $170. Conversely, a bounce from $174 could lead to a test of the $178 resistance level. Long-term, Amazon's fundamentals remain strong, but external factors like tariffs and economic uncertainty could continue to create volatility. If the tariff crisis passes, as suggested by one article, the stock price could double or better in 5 years. Keep an eye on news related to tariffs and the overall economic outlook, as they will likely be major drivers of AMZN's price in the coming months. In summary, key levels to watch are $174 as immediate support and $178, then $180 as resistance. I estimate there's a 60% chance we test $170 in the next month if the negative economic news continues. Look for increasing volume on the 15 and 1-hour charts as signs to reinforce this. A bullish reversal back to retest 180. I'd give about a 30% chance unless we get positive news around tariffs or an improving economic forecast. Look for strong bullish candle patterns on high volume. The market remains chaotic due to the tariff situation, so always trade carefully and manage your risk.